Welcome to StarTechies. In this video, we will install or upgrade OpenSSL on Linux machine. Let's get started. So now we are on our server. So let's go ahead and check. Let me show you the version of OpenSSL which we have. So let's go to PHP info and here we will search for OpenSSL. So here, as you can see, we have OpenSSL version of 1.1.1k, and you can see the library which we have the version of OpenSSL 1.1, which is the outdated one. So we have to install the new one. So let's go ahead with the installation process. So in order to install OpenSSL on my server, let me go ahead and connect to the PuTTY. So here my server IP is 162. Port is default. Let's connect. So here I'm logging as a root. I'm just typing my password. Here we go, we are logged in. So in order to install OpenSSL, there are two methods. One is we will install the OpenSSL via yum command. If there are any, you have already updated your servers or there are updates for the OpenSSL, then updating through a yum command will obviously help, and it will be the easiest method to install the OpenSSL. So let's go ahead and install the OpenSSL with the first method, which is installing SSL via yum command. So for that, firstly we will go ahead and type the command sudo yum update. It will check for all the updates. Once you will run that command, you will get the list of the packages which are available to install. Here we will check for the OpenSSL, and as you can see, there is no option which says OpenSSL update or OpenSSL version. We are going to install it manually from the source. So in order to do that, firstly we will go ahead and open the official OpenSSL website. Now open your favorite browser. Now in my case I'm using Mozilla Firefox. This is the official website, opensslibrary.org. So here are the latest available version. Whatever the version you would like to install, you can simply select or copy the URL. So let me go ahead and paste that URL on our notepad. We will be using wget command to get the setup file. Copy this, paste it in PuTTY. It will take some time to download. Now as it is downloaded, we will extract it through this command. So the command was executed. And for all these commands which I am using, you can simply check the description. I have mentioned the link there. Go inside the OpenSSL 3.31 folder. Here we will make sure that we have all the requirements for compiling the files. Now we will go ahead with the configure and install. So for that, firstly we will go ahead with the configure. So as you can see that I got the error that no target or specific make file permission found or command found. So in this case we will go ahead and install the missing Perl modules. In order to install the missing modules, we will go ahead and type the following command and execute it. Once the missing Perl modules are completed, or we will install the IPC CMD modules, then we will go ahead and try again with the configuration and installation of the OpenSSL. For that, let's go ahead and go with the config once again. Here instead of ./config, we will use ./configure. So I have used this command and it is, you can see that it is compiled. You will get this screen, OpenSSL has been successfully configured. Once it is configured, you will go ahead and type make and press enter. So as you can see that the make command is finished. Now we will go ahead and install it. For that we will use this command, make install. It will also take some time in order to install the OpenSSL. It will take time, so I will get back to you. So here, as you can see, the installation is done. It took almost 1 or 2 minutes. OpenSSL is installed, so we can simply verify it through the OpenSSL version command. Here you can see that we received an error. In order to fix this issue, we will go ahead and go with the other troubleshooting options. Firstly, we will check if the local lib64 folder is there. So in order to do that, we will go ahead and check. Let's run this command. As you can see in the list, we do not have user local lib64 folder here, so we will go ahead and add it. To add this, we will use this command. You can simply verify it by going to the previous ls command. So here, by executing the cat command, we can see that we have the file folder there which we required. Now we will go ahead and load it, and you should see the list here. You have the user local lib64. Now let's confirm the OpenSSL if it is working or not. So here you can see that OpenSSL 3.31 is there. Now we can go ahead and exit from this putty. Now we will go ahead and refresh this PHP info page to check if it is showing us the new version of OpenSSL. As you can see that it is still showing the library version of OpenSSL, which is the old one. So in order to fix this, we will go ahead and rebuild our PHP on the server. For that, we will go ahead with the PHP switcher. So as here, I just wanted to go with the more stable version, which is 8.30. Here it will show you all the list which it will be built in. So here you can see that we will have the curl and OpenSSL. We will simply click on save and build. So your PHP version switcher will take at least 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm just pausing this video here. Let's wait until the PHP get upgraded. Now here you can see that our PHP version is upgraded to the 8.3.0. Now let's go ahead and check my PHP info. So here we will search for OpenSSL. So you can see that we have OpenSSL enabled and OpenSSL library version is 3.3.1. So in this video we have successfully upgraded our OpenSSL to the latest version. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for new videos and tap the bell icon to get notified.